Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Easy English Conversation video. Today, you will learn how to ask for water in a restaurant. Let's watch a simple and slow conversation between a customer and a waiter. Listen carefully and repeat after us. Let's begin.
Hello. Welcome to Sunny Cafe. Hello. Welcome to Sunny Cafe.
Hello. Thank you. Hello. Thank you.
Would you like to sit here? Would you like to sit here?
Yes, this table is good. Yes, this table is good.
Great. Here is the menu. Great. Here is the menu.
Thank you. Thank you.
After looks at the menu, then raises hand and customer said.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you? Yes, how can I help you?
I am very thirsty. Can I have some water, please? I am very thirsty. Can I have some water, please?
Of course. Would you like cold water or warm water? Of course. Would you like cold water or warm water?
Cold water, please. Cold water, please.
No problem. I will bring it right away. No problem. I will bring it right away.
Returns with a glass of water and waiter said.
Here is your cold water. Here is your cold water.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Are you ready to order food? You're welcome. Are you ready to order food?
I need a few more minutes. I need a few more minutes.
No problem. Take your time. No problem. Take your time.
Thank you. Thank you.
Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos and press the bell icon to get all new videos notification.